These are transistors. Transistor is one of the most important devices ever to be invented. So we are going to learn how it works in this video. And we will make a small project using transistors. Let's go. Transistor comes in many shapes and sizes. There are two main types, the bipolar transistor and the field effect transistor. In this video, we will focus on bipolar transistor. Transistors are a small electrical component with two main functions. It can act as a switch to control circuits, and also it can amplify signal. Usually bipolar transistors are used in low power circuits. The internal parts of this transistor simply closed in a racing case. But higher power transistor will have a partially metal case, which is used to help remove the heat. This metal body of the transistor attached with a heat shrink. On the body of the transistors, we find some text. This text tells us about the transistor types. We can find the datasheet searching the part's name. In a transistor, we have three pins. From left, collector, base, and emitter. For this tip 120 transistor, from left, base, collector, and emitter. Basically, all transistors use two configurations, NPN type and PNP type. Two transistors looks nearly same. So we need to check their datasheet to know which type of this. This transistor blocking the flow of current. So the LED is off. But if we provide a small amount of voltage to the base pin, it causes the transistor allow the flow of current in the main circuit. We need to apply at least 0.6 to 0.7 volt to the base pin to pull the transistor turn on and allow to flow current. Now let's make a circuit with these BC547 transistors.